Today my friends and I will be discussing the carbon cycle.
Carbon is recycled throughout the environment. There are 4 steps to it, such as photosynthesis, decomposition, respiration, and combustion.
This is what plants use to make their food. They take in the sunlight and the carbon dioxide through their leaves, and while the roots take in water and nutrients from the soil. They then transform the sunlight and the carbon into sugars and oxygen. The plants exhale the oxygen and use the sugars as fuel and energy. Plants are what allow us to breathe in oxygen without worry of running out of air, and we supply carbon to plants by exhaling every single day.
Welcome.
Respiration, the act of breathing, the movement of air or dissolved gases into and out of the lungs. Carbon dioxide is generated through the process of cellular respiration, which has the opposite chemical reaction as photosynthesis. That means that when our cells burn food, also known as glucose, for energy, carbon dioxide is released. Just like animals, we exhale carbon dioxide and return it back to the atmosphere.
Carbon moves from fossil fuels to the atmosphere when fuels are burned. When humans burn fossil fuels to power factories, power plants, cars, and trucks, most of the carbon quickly enters the atmosphere as carbon dioxide gas. Each year, 5.5 billion tons of carbon is released by burning fossil fuels. Of this massive amount, 3.3 billion tons stays in the atmosphere. Most of the remainder becomes dissolved in seawater. Also, animals feed on the plant, passing the carbon compounds along the food chain. Most of the carbon they consume is exhaled as carbon dioxide, formed during respiration. The animals and plants eventually die.
Decomposition is the process of materials breaking down. Decomposition, in correlation to the carbon cycle, helps the carbon further its journey to recycle itself in the environment when dead organisms release the carbon into the environment with the help of decomposers, such as worms, fungi, and vultures.